Hi there everybody, it's the editor here from Robin Hood Dashcam. I hope you're well, staying safe, and as always, are enjoying the videos. It's that time again, time for another episode in the Cutting Room Floor series. If you're new here, essentially these are all the clips that wouldn't normally make it into a normally weekly compilation, silly observations, minor driving fails, and random car spots. If you're not new to this series, then welcome back to another episode. Going forward, all future episodes of the Cutting Room Floor series will feature here on the new channel Robin Hood Dashcam Extras. The new channel will also host the WTF What the Frig Advent Calendar that has become so popular at Christmas time. Make sure you like and subscribe to this new channel because we wouldn't want you to miss out on any of our content. That's enough yapping for now, let's get on with the video. Enjoy.
Dressing gown?
That's a nice dressing gown, isn't it? Height of fashion in Baseford. Oh, don't mind me, Duck. That's it. Wait, where do you think you're going to go? Overtaking what, the central reservation?
That good cushion alcohol.
You're going to run out of road. That lane's closed. Wakey, wakey. Oh. He's not happy with that.
Cost this, I'm not promising. Look at the wallabies all around. Quite a big one at the back.
Whoa!
What happened? Oh, dog.
A kamikaze cat.
Stop, there's a dog. It's under your wheels. Where is it?
No, it's well
Is it
in
a
front.
cat?
Yeah.
Oh, for goodness
It's a
sake.
kamikaze cat.
Oh, look at it. It's so sweet. It's the way they're...
I'm driving in the cycle lane.
I was going to say,
Look at how he's doing something.
bloody hell.
I'm doing 40.
Got Monster Energy stickers because...
Got Monster Energy Volvo stickers. They're unique, aren't they? Just in case you weren't sure if it was a Volvo or not.
They're not stuck on the straight.
They're not? Oh yeah. Well, there you go. The Volvo Monster. Of course.
Stop.
Yeah, I'm stopping the line. No, I decided halfway I didn't want to cross the road. She's crossed the road on the wrong side.
So that's all coming your way after the news at the top of the hour is next.
Oh, yeah.
Stand by.
That's impressive. That must have taken years.
Guys, come well.
Ready, break on.
Scooter Brothers. What the heck's going on here? Why is this bus in the middle of the bloody road? Don't have to see a driver.
Robin Hood dashcam. It's another Robin Hood. Robin Hood dashcam. Robin Hood.
Oh, he's pulled that van over.
No,
Oh, no, that's not the van, is
that van's wrecked.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like that. Ah, you crept over the line there, didn't you, mate?
Whoosh.
No, one burger. One burger. It's not even done. Oh no, she's really upset. Bit of patience. It's Friday evening, they're probably cooking. I know it should be fast food, but still. Bit of patience, love. It's not the end of the world, it's a burger.
This is the Vodafone voicemail service.
Oh, I was going to pull forward, but apparently not. We're stopping apparently. And oh no, there's more to come. There's more to come. Oh, gotta get your Crocs on first. Fuming. Oh dear.
Thank you. I've been waiting 15, 20 minutes. That's what I go for. And that's what you give me, and I've got to wait down.
Oh dear. Waiting 15-20 minutes. Not sure about that, but okie dokie. I got my food. And that's all that matters. Cheerio.
I bet they've got a nice cool house. Oh dear, did somebody spray some paint out the back?
World's worst tint
I was
job
going
as
to say,
well.
well, worst tint job, yeah.
Bomb down and bugging off. Look at this guy. What's he doing?
Is that a bike or a moped?
Well, there's no number plate on it. It's like
And it's got pedals, it's got push pedals.
Is it got push pedals? Nice little toy, isn't it?
It's like an electric bike that's made to look like a...
Moped.
It's got a light on the back, but look, it's pedals.
He's not pedalling, is he?
But it's pedals that go round. That's got to be an electric bike, souped up electric bike, hasn't it?
It's got little indicators.
It's got little indicators.
A nice little toy, isn't it?
But he is pedalling. It's not an actual.
Ah, nice bit of tech.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the unmistakable sound of a knob.
How was that?
Quad bike. Tooth. That's a true story.
You see where our stitches are in the mouth? I had a good look when the vet pulled it up. So they're all along the gum where it's hurt.
Are we authorised postman? Or are we just
And
some
then,
lad in a hoodie stealing post?
two-seater table and chairs, and then a high chair, and that's why they were moving, because it was too small for them with the kid.
Right, yeah.
Because I was
On our own, because and it's not our fault really as such. It's more the fact that there's always these one of us working from home.